We're making soup today because it's cold and snowy. We're doing a roasted red pepper Chipotle soup. It's delicious. You'll make it at home and you'll love it. You'll thank me later. First step, you're gonna want to chop up your bell peppers. Choose red ones. They're the best. I got a full house today. I'm gonna do this with 4 bell peppers. Red peppers are in. Next thing you want to do, 1 whole onion. Okay, onions are in. A lot of garlic. We like garlic. I'm gonna probably do like 5 or 6 cloves. Peel your cloves of garlic. Best way to do it. Chop off the little butt shitty end. Give it a whack. And out. Like that. In. Next, you're gonna want to add 2 carrots. Carrots in. Last thing here. This is like a whole pint of cherry tomatoes. Throw them in, baby. Now we want to make it nice and creamy. 1 can lima beans. In we go. Now for the most important part. Smoke show Chipotle. Just absolutely delicious, smoky, and amazing. You want to put like a good amount if you like it, you know, nice and smoky. Next up, bay leaves. This is dried oregano. These are chili flakes. Throw them in here. We have thyme and rosemary. Put them all in. Drizzle the whole thing in some olive oil. Get it all gooped up like that. Salt and pep. We like salt. This goes in the oven that is preheated at 350 for 45 minutes, which means that we have 45 minutes to do absolutely nothing but wait for this. Now I can do the laundry. Joys of doing a cooking show at home. You get asked to do chores while your meal cooks. And this is a Saturday. It's been 45 minutes. My whole house smells incredible. We're gonna pull this out of the oven, blend it up, and eat it. Bring it over. 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 How good does that look? First thing you want to do when this comes out of the oven is take out all of your herbs. Take all your ingredients, put them in your blender. You want to keep this juice that is accumulated, and you want to pour it into your blender. Also, you can keep this completely vegan. I am out of vegetable broth, so I gotta use chicken broth. Whatever. Put like, I don't know, 2 cups. Now, blend it up. So, soup's poured. To garnish it, I like to keep it simple. Do a little bit of chives. Chili flakes, a little bit more spice. There you go. Always serve this soup with a nice piece of crusty loaf. 1, 2, salt, pepper. Et voila, a delicious, quick soup you can make at home. Hope you'll enjoy it. See you next time. Bye.